Yeah, I see him. Yep, that's Madison closed down. Dude, that's insane. Keep going over there. Yeah. Dude. Okay, this is black right now. Dude, there is absolutely no power whatsoever. Yo, dude, this is like type ridiculous.
If these power lines fall down, I want you running somewhere else.
Dude, try that light up there.
You see the branch?
Yeah. Holy shit. Holy shit. Go. Holy. Dude. Oh my god. Dude, I'm putting this shit on fucking YouTube. Exactly, look good. Yeah, let's do it.
How do I turn at the bottom?